ecosystem and harms biodiversity.
Plastic all cost effective. The cost is very low.
Plastic are largely non-toxic and lead to massive pollution.
Plastics have improved the industries like healthcare, technology and manufacturing. It's taking 100 years to break down. It will affect our next generation.
Plastic all lightweight. It is used for the customers and things easily.
It affects the animals but mistaking it for food which affects the ecosystem.
Plastics are excellent insulators contributing to advancements in electronics. Plastic release tiny particles that contaminate soil, water and air.
Plastic plays a major role in producing steel, syringes, medical gloves, etc.
Plastic pollution is a global crisis with millions of tons of plastic in the ocean channel.
Plastic provides waterproof, inexpensive and well packaging process. It is used to reduce the goods cost like cotton, polyester, etc. It degrades into microplastics, which are small particles that contaminate soil, water and air.
And textile plastic materials such as PVC pipes, insulation are made with the plastic.
The plastic release harmful chemicals which affect the humans as well as to cancer.
Plastic prevents the corrosion. It is better than the metal. It is a major advantage of water baskets. Plastics are not easily recyclable due to contamination or mixed material.
Lightweight plastic materials also contribute to vehicles and aircraft.
Okay, plastic are both a blessing and a curse.
It contains many drawbacks like health issue, environment pollution.